Hi, my name is Matt Young, and I teach chemistry classes here at the high school. I'm just going to talk about our chemistry pathways, I guess, or chemistry options as students move through high school. There are a few different choices from there. So, this first thing I have on my screen here is our general science pathway. So, a majority of students will come in and take Science 9 as a freshman, biology as a sophomore. Those are both full year classes. And then they have some options their junior year. And those options would be either our general chemistry, a physics, they could possibly take an advanced chemistry, or an elective, such as a physical science or in a comparative anatomy. Notice when it says one credit, that is just a one credit class or one semester class. Okay. There is a 3-year science requirement. So um, students do need to take 3 years of science to graduate from Indianola High School. In terms of chemistry, so junior year, again, students could either take general chemistry or they could take advanced chemistry. On most of the time, the advanced chemistry students have taken advanced Sci-9 coming in, advanced biology as a sophomore, and then advanced chemistry as a junior. Let's talk about some prerequisites and some other things about chemistry and advanced chemistry. I will say I am one of the general chemistry teachers, and I also teach AP chemistry, which I'll talk about later. Mrs. Karen Sorensen teaches our advanced chemistry and some sections of general chemistry as well. So our gen chemistry or general chemistry, which a majority of students would take their junior year, has an Algebra 1 prerequisite. So they're supposed to have completed Algebra 1 to be in the class. There is a decent amount of math, so it's nice to have at least been through Algebra 1 for that. The math is very doable. Students do very well in that. So that is just one of our prerequisites to get into it. For the advanced chemistry, same thing there. Again, generally students that are in advanced chemistry versus Gen Chem would have gone the advanced route originally, taken advanced I9 and advanced biology as a junior then. The difference in these two courses, we cover a lot of the same materials. There is probably more application in the advanced chemistry class, more hands-on. I'm trying to apply things to it at a higher level, maybe a little bit more math involved in there. There are some additional topics such as thermochemistry and rate of reaction that are added into this course, in addition to the topics that are listed in the course description book for general chemistry. So that gets them through their junior year. I also teach AP chemistry. So AP chemistry has a prerequisite. You have to take one of these two. Normally it would be advanced chem. There are some students who take gen chem and then do take AP chemistry their senior year. Again, though, a student has to take a full year of chemistry or advanced chemistry to take the AP chemistry class. All right. AP chemistry class does require a student to have been in or through Algebra 2 and chemistry in order to take it. It is a full year class. It is on a weighted grade scale because it is AP, so it is on a 5-point grade scale rather than a 4-point grade scale. One of the questions students ask that there is no DMAT credit for that class. In order to get college credit for it, they do have to take the AP exam and score typically either a 4 or 5, sometimes a 3, depending on what school they are applying to. I would say the materials covered in our chemistry course are hit in AP Chem very briefly. It is much higher level. There are new topics such as equilibrium and electrochemistry, several things that are new. It is taught at a college level and is definitely one of our higher level classes in the high school. This would be designed for students who are probably going to major in a science-related field in college, more than likely, such as engineering, pre-vet, pre-med, pre-dental, something like that. So those are chemistry options as students move through. Look forward to having students in chemistry class. Thank you.